As an admin, you work with collections of Salesforce records every day. You view groups of records through related lists and reports, and you update groups of records using tools like data loader and inline editing of list views. Just like these features, when it comes to code, interacting with multiple items as a group is very useful. As admins, we store data in fields, but in code, we store data in a kind of temporary field called a variable. Just like there are different data types for fields, there are also different data types for variables. Some variable data types are simple and store things like dates and integers, while others are more complex. Collections are complex data types that store groups of items and allow you to work on them together. In Apex, we have 3 types of collections: lists, sets, and maps. Lists are the simplest type of collection. A list always has a particular order where each member of the list holds a specific position. They're useful when you want a simple way to store a group of values. Sets are very similar to lists, but with a couple of distinctions. First, while lists are ordered, sets are unordered. And second, each member of a set is always unique. Sets are great when you don't care about the order of the items and when you want to prevent duplicates. Lastly, maps are collections of key value pairs. But what does that mean? Let's look at an example. Think about a collection of employees. Each employee has an employee ID that's unique across all members of the map and acts as the map key. Each item of the map contains the employee's name. This is the value. Together, the employee ID and the employee name form the key value pair. So those are the 3 types of collections. In this unit, we'll work with lists, so let's dive in.